What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. And we're also in a new month. And within that new month, we always have to go through what my portfolios look like. And since I've been using CoinMarketCap, I've been trying to keep up with things, but I tend to only keep up with things at the end of the month, right? Not when I actually purchase it or make that transaction. I notice that things look a little bit off with my portfolio, but I want to go through exactly how much I do have. Now, I don't know how long this portfolio update will last till. If we see things that absolutely blow up, I might not do portfolio updates just out of safety of exactly how much I do have there. But I will let people know in the Patreon, people that are close to me. Um, Obviously, I would love to try and keep you guys in the loop of exactly what I'm doing with certain positions and certain things, but you would have to be a part of the Patreon in order to know what I am selling. I haven't sold anything yet, but let me talk to you about certain plays that I do have in my possession, right? And what my exit plans are for those. Um, so again, I want to go through my portfolio. Who doesn't like to see exactly what other people are invested into, everything that you do hold, and the amount that you hold, the bigger winners and the bigger losers within your portfolio. So guys, if you could make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about my link for Margex if you want to start trading with Margex. I plan on making a decent amount from Jasmine Coin as well as many other projects, especially as we saw this dip that happened recently. So, with that being said, let's go into my portfolio. Without further ado, let's jump into this portfolio. Now, the last time we looked at it, I believe we were sitting at somewhere around the 200,000. If I go into portfolio update video, my last portfolio update video, I had 194,534 or 500, yeah, $534. So around the same amount right now, just a little bit higher. Even though things have kind of come down a little bit, we've added some to the crypto portfolio. We've also taken profit on some areas and some places. And we have all-time profit of $63,950. I believe the last time we looked at it, our all-time profit was sitting at like 80,000. So we decreased by 20,000, but we also added 20,000 plus to the market. So that's good to know. That means that we haven't seen any type of major rise, even though we're up $2,000 or $2,000 over the last time that we did this from the last month. We're still we're still down with everybody else that has seen kind of this little hit from a $2.7 trillion market cap down to a $2.2 trillion market cap. Now you're going to see that I'm up about 24. It says, or no, sorry, $18,000 in the last 24 hours. Understand that I just added some transactions that I did not add to my portfolio, so this is not accurate. I should be up a little bit over the last 24 hours, but it's not that. You're going to see my best performer is VSG, which VSG is a great play. I have about $43,000 worth of profit there. At which 30,000 of it is realized. So I'm excited about where that has gone and where that will be. I talked about VSG in a bunch of different videos. If you haven't checked those out, feel free to go and check out them. They honestly are a really, really good project, and they have a lot of things going for them when it comes to popularity, spending money on marketing and exchange listings and stuff like that. So feel free to go ahead and give them a look. I'll provide a link down below at the top of the description. But we also have the worst performer, which has been Sync. Sync has not been good for me at all. It's down 94%, and that looks so promising. It has honestly a platform to where it looks promising, and that did not work out for me whatsoever. Now, can it come back? Yes, there's always a chance these things can make a move, but 94% is quite a bit of a drop. And while I had 3,000 invested into there, I pretty much only have like 100 something dollars now that's there. So that was a horrible yeah, I wouldn't say horrible investment because you never know how it fully plays out, but it just hasn't worked out at all. So, yeah, we can look at that as we go through the prices. But we look at the performance, it's been pretty steady around 170 for quite some time. If we look at the last 24 hours, we look at the last 7 days, this has been up and down up to 180, 190, 191. The last 30 days, we can see how this has been steady until we hit that drop, and everything dropped down to about 138. And then we saw this up to certain levels here, and now we're back up to 180 and 170 and all of that in the last month. If we look at my top positions that I hold, XRP is my top position. I hold $41,000 worth of XRP, 80,000 XRP total, and I have big plans for that. I'm not even in profit for this play. This is how much I believe in this. I have 41,000 invested all in to this position. This is truly all in, right? You also look at Kronos. I have 33,000 that's invested into this. This is all in around these prices. I'm down $2,400 on this play. And the reason is because I decided to go all into this again while it was around the 14 level, somewhere around there, 14 or 15 level, because I believe in this a lot further than that. 25, 50, $1, $2, $3. I believe in it so much further than where it stands. VSG, that's around 19,000. I have $43,000 worth of profit. We look at Jasmine Coin. I'm up $16,000. Sorry, I'm up to $16,000. I'm up $12,500 on this play. Grok, I'm up $4,400. You have Tether. I do have Tether, so this is not going to be here for long. So you can probably take that out of the overall total. I plan on taking my Tether, and I always want to take a certain amount to throw it into maybe my bank account and put it into my dividend portfolio and other means of investing as well, not just cryptocurrency. But I do have some that's over there. My voice is actually getting weird. My throat is bothering me. Litecoin, we have $7,000 worth. We have 7,000 worth of Harvest Finance. Krill is at 6,000. BNB, I also have 5,600. I slowly built that up, and I never put that over here, but I slowly built that up, and I have about 5,000 or 10 BNB total, which is great. Terra Luna Classic, I have $5,000 as well. I'm up 13,000% on what I invested into the play. Book of Meme, down $806 at about $4,000. Teller, I'm down about 1,700. That has made a move recently. It's up 56%. And I would have loved to have invested more at $46. I felt like that was a steal. Could have gotten 10, could have gotten 100 if I wanted to for another $4,000 or something like that, right? But it didn't end up making that move. So actually I had the money. I just don't want to invest into any more cryptocurrency. I try to step back, and then I keep falling into these not traps, but areas to where I'm like, I need to buy more, right? Then you have Solana. I have about $3,500. $3,500, which is 25. Beam, I did invest more into this. This is one that I did cave on. I invested in another $1,000 worth, a little bit over. I'm at 123,000 Beam. Swift, 2,600. Lucky's Leprechaun, I have 2,400. Shiba Inu, I have 2,000. 2,000 Avalanche, 2,000 Cardano. That has come down pretty drastically recently. I might want to reinvest into Cardano. Anchor is also at 1,500. GME, I have 1,500. I'm down about $400 on that. MAGA Trump, $1,000. I'm down about $300 on it. Cosmos, 600. 400 for Reddit. 400 for API 3. Pepe, 300 or 400, 200 for Joe Biden coin. You have Sync that's down to 189. And I haven't gone into that as well, but you have all of these different positions that I have, and I have a lot, right? There's a lot of people that have less, but I like to be involved in a lot of different projects that have varying use cases as well as memes and all of that. So total account balance right now, give or take maybe 10,000 of stable coins, 186 or 196,000 right now in my portfolio. So I'm excited for what's to come and how much this will be worth next month and the month after that. And know that it should be worth more because I did take money out. I took some profit out of ESG, which means that I should be probably up to $220,000 or $230,000 if I didn't decide to do that. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. I'm gonna go and get some water, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.